Hello, little friends. Today we're going to draw a beautiful butterfly in color. Using colors we mix ourselves. Let's get started. First, draw a small round face. Then, add 2 long antennae. Next, draw 2 big wings on the top and 2 smaller wings on the bottom. Now, let's decorate the wings with some circles and swirls. Look, your butterfly is ready to fly. Now it's time for color magic. We'll use just 3 primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. Let's mix them. Red color, yellow color, blue color. Red plus yellow equals orange. Yellow plus blue equals green. Red plus blue equals purple. Wow! Look at those beautiful new colors. Now we'll use them to color our butterfly. Let's start coloring step by step. Here's where the colors go. Top big wings, orange, red plus yellow. Bottom small wings, green, yellow plus blue and purple. Wing decorations, purple, red plus blue. Body and face pink and yellow. Antennae purple. Look how colorful your butterfly is becoming. You're doing amazing! Wow! Your rainbow butterfly looks ready to fly. You're such a great little artist. If you had fun today, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Kiddo Color Club for more fun and colorful drawing videos. See you next time. Bye bye.